Hello everyone, my name is Cody Madsen and I'm here today to talk to you about the renovation project on your course. The project we are discussing is a bunker restoration for the Greenside bunkers on holes 6 and 8. Both of these bunkers have been very worn down and are in need of restoration. We will discuss what equipment we will need for the project, what supplies we will need, and what we will do to complete the project. The issues that we are dealing with on the holes are issues of sand being too hard, not enough sand in the bunkers in places, and the edges of the bunkers are not sharp. All of these issues are minor, but will take some effort to get them fixed. The equipment we will need for this project is a mechanical edger for repairing the edges of the bunker to a uniform look, a vehicle to haul sand for the renovated bunkers. This should be small to avoid on-course issues of compaction and avoid damaging the course further. Rakes to spread the sand, and people to do the work. We only need one supply, and yep, you guessed it, sand, and lots of it. To give you an idea, we have a total of 3 bunkers. Each bunker has roughly 3 inches of sand right now. This is what you see in this diagram. The base in this diagram is too shallow and can cause problems, one being a hard surface, like we have. A typical bunker needs a minimum of 4 to 6 inches. This diagram shows that depth, and this is where we need to be. Looking at our course, we have a total square footage of roughly 8,000 square feet of bunkers that need to be filled. This means we need anywhere from 650 cubic feet of sand to 2,000 cubic feet of sand. The steps that we will need to take is rake all the sand to the outside of the bunkers, as you can see here in this animation. This is done to make the center of the bunker softer, because the center of the bunker is where the majority of the shots will end up, typically. The next step we will do is bring the new sand into the course. We will designate an area for the large trucks to dump the sand, in a parking lot or something similar, and then we will come with our smaller vehicles to get the sand. This is to avoid damage to the course. We will fill the bunkers to the designated height of 6 inches, as mentioned before, and then we will then rake the bunkers to get a uniform depth throughout. The next step will be to edge the bunkers with the mechanical edger. This process is fairly easy. One person will operate the edger around the bunkers, and a few others will work on the cleanup of the edger's leftovers. The edger and the raking of the bunkers in the previous step can overlap one another, provided there is sufficient room for everyone to work safely. As a final note, to ensure a quality bunker, it is recommended to have a scheduled time to rake the bunkers. This will give the bunkers a consistent, uniform look and will allow them to play better. This concludes